Good evening, teacher. This is Suvarna from 9th standard studying in Tempest Khaitabaad Girls 1. Let's start our topic Newton's first law of motion. Sir Isaac Newton published 3 laws in the 17th century. In this article, we are going to talk about Newton's first law. This law is an introduction to motion of the object and the force acting on it. In other words, it deals with the motion of an object and its relation to force. What is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law explains what happens to an object when no net force acts on it. Newton's first law states that a body remains in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless and until an external force acts on it. And there are two conditions on which the first law of motion is dependent. They are objects at rest and objects in motion. Objects at rest. When an object is at rest, velocity and acceleration are zero. Therefore, the object continues to be at rest. Objects in motion. When an object is in motion, velocity is not equal to zero while acceleration is equal to zero. Therefore, the object will continue to be in motion with constant velocity and the same direction. Let us understand first law of motion by an example. Example 1. Aeroplane. A body is rest or in motion will remain in its position with a constant velocity unless acted upon a force. Let us take one more example. Example 2. Glass. A glass is placed on a board and the board is jerked quickly to the right. The glass tends to remain at rest while the board is removed. Thank you.